Hello guys, welcome back to our channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to create a basic UI5 application using mock data. So let's start by creating a project using template. So here we need to select upload a metadata document if we want to use mock data. For this metadata document, we need a metadata file. So let's go to Northwind OData. This is the metadata URL. Let's click on this, save as. We'll save it into a local. I've already saved and uploaded it to the BAS. I just need to provide the path. Okay, so just provide the part of the metadata file that you have downloaded in your BAS. Change this name. So our project is being generated. Okay, let's check our folders. So you see we have local service folder in which we have a metadata.xml file. This is the file that we had uploaded or provided the path to. Okay, now that this is created here, we can use data to create mock data for them. So if you just click on create mock data, it will create dummy data for all the entity sets. Let us check out. So now we have a new folder called data. Inside this new folder, each entity set is represented by .json file, and each .json file has dummy data for the entity sets. Okay. So first let's check whether our metadata is being loaded properly. For that, let's run this. We'll create a new run configuration for index.html file. We'll click on run with mock data. Click on save. Let's run this. Okay, so our application is loaded. Let's check for our metadata. We'll refresh this. Search for dollar. So our metadata has successfully loaded. Now let's create a table. Let's try to use the data. Okay, so we'll go back. We'll go to the view folder. Let's create a table here. Okay, inside this table, we will have column and item. Inside the table, we'll bind items for set class. Let's create column for them. Okay, so let's look for employees. Okay, so let's use first name, last name, birth date, and address. Let's format this. Okay. Copy paste. We need three more columns. This is first name. This will be last name, birth date, and address. Similarly, let's create items. Okay, so now that we have our table, let's check whether our table loads the data because you already binded employees here. Yes. Now we have our data, which is the dummy data that we had generated. Okay. This is how you can use mock data in SAP UI5 project. I'll just quickly show you where our changes have done in manifest.json. So we have a default model with a data source as main service. This main service you can find in the data sources, main service, URI. This is a URI link which says here goes your service URL. This is a system generated URL. We'll leave it like this. Do not change this URL, otherwise your mock data won't load. This is the local URI, which is local service slash metadata.xml. Now this linkage of metadata and the data in the local service along with this particular URI has been generated in UI5 local YAML file. Here you see in services we have URL path. This is the URL path, metadata path, as well as the mock data path. And the same goes for UI5 mock YAML. So these are the files where you can locate your settings for the mock data, as I've showed you. So guys, that's all for this video. See you again next time.